Today's topic is going to be the looming dock workers strike and how it's going to impact us. Hello and welcome to the Full Octane Garage, and today's topic is going to be the dock workers' looming strike. Now, we think that this is going to cause some problems for the automotive industry in particular, not to mention a lot of other supply chain issues. We happen to personally be affected by this if at midnight tonight they go on strike, because we have a Porsche Cayenne GTS on order. It's due to be built somewhere in the time of November, with a ship date of November to December. Now, if the dock workers actually go on strike, which means up and down the whole East Coast, there's no ships that are going to be able to unload their goods, our vehicle would be delivered to the Port of Jacksonville. And the Port of Jacksonville is where the majority of the southern Porsches come in. They also go into Texas. They also go into, I believe, Baltimore. But all of those ports are going to be shut down. So we're not going to have any options to get the car. What I want to hear is, how many of you have a car on order from, it could be a Porsche, it could be any other brand, that might be impacted by the upcoming dock workers strike? It sounds like the president says he's not going to intervene. If the president doesn't intervene and nobody's at the table negotiating, that means this could last a long time. It could be as simple as bananas at the grocery store all the way to us and getting a new car. You know, we've got money tied up on our order, so it's not like we can just say, hey, we don't want to get that car. Now a delay means that we're going to get a new car instead of in December or January. It could mean March, April, who knows? So the dock workers are concerned about bringing automation and automating the ports. Now, what's that mean to them? Some of them, it does mean that a job could go away. Ultimately, what I think is that the jobs will age out, because they're, you know, if you think about it, how many people say, oh my gosh, I want to go be one of the dock workers? That's a hard job. I assume that the pay is pretty decent, but it's not a job that everybody will want to do in the upcoming future. So automation may help people get more technology-based jobs, more related to managing the port versus being on a truck and actually moving crates around. So we're hopeful that they get this thing worked out for all of the economy, for all of the car dealers, and most of all, for us when our car comes in. Let's hear your story. Let's see how you're going to be impacted, and I look forward to seeing some of the comments. Thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Garage. Again, we really appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us, and come back often and see what we got going on.